this is the reason why I am getting rid of this stock janky Nissan made top hat. You see this part right here? This broke, so my friend thought it would be a great idea to put these wires or whatever on, and it was gonna fix the issue. It did not fix any of the problems. So I'm gonna be replacing that janky thing with this thing right here, this amazing aluminum billet CJM top hat. Oh my gosh, worth the money. Never got to do this ever again. It's like having a free sauna back here. Like, I'm so pissed that I have to do this. So basically, I'm just gonna use this. It's going to replace the wiring harness that the stock one is. This one is actually a lot more reliable. There's this red thing, if I can peel this off, there's a red water sealant thing in here, and there's also this safety feature that comes with it. So I'm going to be splicing the stock wiring harness that clips into this, which goes into this portion up top, and then we should be good to go. Pink, white, black, yellow, whatever color this is. We don't need this harness anymore, so I'm going to, this is so scary, but I'm gonna send it anyways. Alright, clip that. I really don't know which wire, where what wires go, whatever. Okay, so I'm literally confused. Looking at the instructions, like all it says is CBAFED, and I really don't know where. And it already says on the instructions, where colors inside the tank do not correspond with the wire colors outside the fuel tank. The harness outside the fuel tank, while using the same colors for the wires, does not assign each wire color the same purpose. The following chart shows wire positions at external harness connector. Sensor, fuel pump ground, level sensor, fuel pump power, which is basically these colors, right? But the thing is with their chart or whatever, it says A, B, C, D, E, F, C, B, A, F, E, D, but it doesn't say those letters where sensor, common, temp sensor, fuel pump ground, level sensor, fuel pump power. It does not have this as a diagram in CBAFED. So how am I supposed to know where all these sensors and power cords go into this thing? Fuel pump ground. Alright, I'm gonna strip this wire. I really hope I don't mess up this wire, because I've been trying to learn how to strip wires and stuff, so see if this works. So I decided not to film it, but basically these screws were so hard to get in there. You have to push down on this the top hat while trying to screw each one of these in. So like this side was lifted up higher than this side was, so like it took me like a good maybe 5 minutes just to get all these screws in the hole tightened, finger tight at least. But the wrench is a little long, so it's gonna be kind of hard to get all this in here. So hopefully once we tighten this down, I'm going to pump the well, not pump, but I'm gonna prime the top hat to see if everything's working properly. Basically it's on there, safety switch is on there. I had to press it pretty hard to get it on there with 2 hands pushing forward. Yeah, just give it some elbow grease if you don't think it's gonna come on right, and it should solve the problem. Alright, I think I did it right. Let's see. I hear something. You heard that? Okay, I don't know if I did the wiring right. Oh crap. I don't know if you guys can see me or hear me or whatever, but basically my car is still not working. So today I'm gonna be trying to drive my car over to my buddy's shop so he can help fix it. He is Impact Motorworks. He's gonna take it over here and hopefully I can vlog a little bit of what my car's actually doing while I'm driving, which is not a good idea, but we're gonna do it anyways. See, now it's idling bad. See what, like, it literally keeps idling up and down, and it's already warm. It's warm. My oil temps are like 140, bro. Like, it's ridiculous. Well, it's like 150, but still. See, it's breaking up every time I go full throttle. Alright guys, so I'm not sure when you're going to be watching this, but my car is at Impact Motorworks. They're going to be taking a computer from Nissan in order to check it. They can only use it a certain time, so hopefully by Tuesday they're going to be able to show us what is wrong with it. And it was just misfiring, so hopefully nothing bad is wrong with it, and I'll be able to update you guys as soon as possible.
Put the, like, he rewired obviously every single wire.
So like every single wire was messed up? Or
every
like...
single wire.
Alright guys, so I'm finally back from getting my car done. I did a couple of pulls and it seems normal. He cleared the code, so my car is still trying to learn all the mods that I have on my car since I do not have a tune yet. As you can see behind me, I have a bunch of parts I'm going to be installing on my car. And for now, all I want to say about my car is it is up and running, and I'm going to be doing a few things to it. I'm going to fix that A-pillar, I'm going to get it tuned, and hopefully we can do all this within the next couple of months. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and remember, let's turn our dreams into reality.